For sale is a complete, rebuilt and running 6970 Ford Mustang 428 Cobra Jet engine with correct heads and intakes, built using a 1971 Ford service block. Buyer will end up seeing it run in the test stand, which I'll kick off in just a few seconds, and will be able to pick it up in New Hampshire. No shipping is available. Ready for a stock Cobra Jet car or a resto mod, and it can be in either of two tunes. With one camshaft, it'll produce about 400 horsepower, and it's a very stock camshaft. The second camshaft will produce about 450 horsepower, and is still very streetable. So let me do a walk around and then go ahead and start it on the test stand. Obviously, the carburetor and some other accessories are not stock Cobra Jet parts, but the engine assembly itself is all Cobra Jet compatible. So let me go ahead and put this on the stand. I'm going to go ahead and move this so that you can see the gauges. And you're going to see oil pressure and RPM on the right hand side. And let me go ahead and start the engine. I'll do a couple pulls up to about 5,500 or a little bit more, and I'm going to do it gradually so you can go ahead and see it. Thank you very much, and if you want to contact me, I can be reached at my email, which is vicjones999@hotmail.com. That's VICJONES999 at hotmail.com. Thank you very much.